Developing habits that make people dislike you can have significant consequences on your personal and professional relationships. While it may not be possible to cover every aspect, but let's explore some 15 key habits that can contribute to negative perceptions and how to avoid them. 1. Negative attitude. Constantly expressing pessimism or complaining can be draining for those around you. People generally prefer to be around positive individuals. Instead, focus on finding solutions and maintaining an optimistic outlook. 2. Lack of empathy. Disregarding others' feelings or not being attentive to their needs can lead to strained relationships. Practice active listening and show genuine concern for others' emotions to build stronger connections. 3. Inability to accept criticism. Being defensive or dismissive and receiving feedback can create tension. Embrace constructive criticism as an opportunity for personal growth and improvement. 4. Self-centered behavior. Constantly talking about yourself without showing interest in others can be off-putting. Cultivate a genuine curiosity about others, and engage in reciprocal conversations. 5. Poor communication skills. Lack of clear communication or being overly aggressive can create misunderstandings. Practice effective communication by being concise, respectful, and open to dialogue. 6. Unreliability. Consistently failing to keep promises or meet commitments erodes trust. Be reliable by setting realistic expectations and delivering on your promises. 7. Judgmental attitude. Being overly critical or judgmental can alienate those around you. Practice empathy and withhold judgment until you fully understand someone's perspective. 8. Lack of accountability. Refusing to take responsibility for mistakes or blaming others can erode trust. Acknowledge your errors, learn from them, and work towards improvement. 9. Constantly seeking validation. Relying on others for constant approval can be exhausting. Develop self-confidence and find validation from within, rather than constantly seeking external affirmation. 10. Gossiping. Engaging in gossip or spreading rumors creates a negative environment. Refrain from participating in gossip, and focus on positive and constructive conversations. 11. Inflexibility. Being resistant to change or unwilling to consider different perspectives can hinder collaboration. Stay open-minded and adaptable to foster a more harmonious environment. 12. Interrupting others. Habitually cutting others off mid-sentence can be perceived as disrespectful. Practice patience and let others express themselves before responding. 13. Unwarranted arrogance. An inflated sense of self-importance can push people away. Stay humble, acknowledge the contributions of others, and be open to learning from different experiences. 14. Poor time management. Consistently being late or failing to manage time effectively can be frustrating for others. Respect others' time by being punctual and organized. 15. Ignoring boundaries. Disregarding personal space or crossing boundaries can make others uncomfortable. Respect others' privacy and communicate openly about expectations. In conclusion, fostering positive relationships requires self-awareness and a willingness to address and change habits that may contribute to negative perceptions. By actively working on these aspects, you can build stronger, more fulfilling connections with those around you. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. We love fostering conversations here, so feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. As always, subscribe for more educative content and encourages personal growth. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay aware, stay empowered, and take care.